you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What can I get for you?
Can I get 2 ice mochas?
2 ice mochas? And what do you have going on today?
Not much. It was a half day at school, so just got done teaching. Or I guess not even teaching. It's the end of the year, so I'm kind of like, okay, just work on your finals, and then I'll sit here.
You do elementary, right?
No, I do high school.
Oh, high school.
Yeah.
What school?
St. Paul's.
St. Paul's. The boys' school or the girls' school?
This is the boys' school.
How was that?
Yeah. It's fun. It's interesting. They're crazy. It's fun. They're usually pretty good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I think most of them seem to like me.
Do you do all grade levels of St. Paul's or just
It's just 10th and 11th for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, you do more seniors or juniors, or is it all mixed?
Just sophomores and juniors.
Just sophomores and juniors?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, this is my first and last year. I decided to leave.
So it has been brutal.
Yeah, I mean, there were things I liked about it, but I just don't like teaching high school.
Oh yeah.
It's just not my thing.
They're not as appreciated as the younger ages.
Yeah.
So what's next then?
I'm gonna teach at Stevenson.
Oh, at university?
Yeah.
What do you-
I prefer it. So, yeah, I'm gonna teach writing. Like
All right.
writing.
So you're an English teacher at? But to teach at at St. Paul's, you don't have to have a certificate, right?
No, because they're like, private schools, they don't care.
Yeah.
So they're just like, oh, okay, so we'll get a bachelor's, you can teach here.
We pay a lot more, but teachers don't have to. You teach. What's up, Fase?
What up, brother? You good, man?
Yeah, man. How you doing?
Cool, man. I try to catch you before you close, man.
Oh, good. Welcome.
Yeah, man. Hey, can I get a Vietnamese?
Of course.
All right, I'll be right back.
Sure.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Are you making videos today?
Yes. So we have a YouTube channel, Spro Coffee,
Okay.
and actually, what we're shooting for this is actually the video that came out today. The first one came out today, and what it's about is just kind of like we're shooting what we're doing, and then narrating it later.
Oh, okay.
Kind of talking about what we're doing, how we're doing it, why we're doing it.
Okay.
Like in yours, I'm thinking right now that part of the narrative for this one will be that, well, I had to come back and get the second spoon because I thought that I could use one spoon and take them both and dollop them, but it wasn't coming out, so I was like, well, I'm just gonna not waste my time.
So it's a new YouTube channel?
Well, we've had it for a year.
Okay.
We put a lot of our drink recipes and all that on there.
Oh, okay.
But this one is just a new series of videos about just a different way of doing a video, that's all. All right, $11, please.